Okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. Meet the all-new Volvo EX90, the brand flagship 3-row electric SUV. Riding on a grown-up new electric architecture, the EX90 is bold yet familiar. On the roof is a Volvo sensor array with a 360-view system and a tech for future self-driving. Volvo calls the EX90 a computer on wheels, utilizing Snapdragon processor, Unreal Engine on their infotainment, and more. 5G is standard and the 14.5-inch touchscreen is massive. Under the floor is a 111 kWh battery pack sending electricity to 2 electric motors. In top spec, it will make 496 horsepower and 671 pound-feet of torque with around 300 miles of range. 10 to 80% of charge will come in just 30 minutes. That infotainment uses Android Auto OS, which means OTA updates built on Google Assistant and more. Volvo says they will be accepting the next generation of Apple CarPlay as well. There also is a digital cluster and new in-headrest speaker. Pre-orders are now open, and Volvo says a well-equipped model will come in under $80,000. Deliveries are expected early 2024 and it will be built in South Carolina.